Today we will learn how to mask a video in a text shape in Premiere Pro. First of all, take your videos. It will be good if the videos are portraits. Now place them on the left and right side. Now use the shape tool to cover the video by making a shape on it. Now take the type tool and type your name. I have written sky here. Now increase its size and keep a space between each letter. Now place it in the center. Now go to the Effects control panel and change its blending mode to multiply. That's all for today. If you like the video, then do like and subscribe to the channel. GraphiX Studio is now available on Instagram. Do follow on Instagram for such videos.